Good day, guys, and welcome here with us at About IT. My name is Gillian. I'm the marketing manager, and today we are going to be discussing cracking the email branding code. So first, let's look at a few key numbers. 85% of all business correspondence occurs via email. Yet, we're continuously spending our marketing money elsewhere on the other 15%. Why? 13,200 are the number of emails on average sent by a user per year. This is time that we spend communicating with our clients, prospects, consumers, and suppliers. This is our direct target audience. 500 hours are spent by staff sending and receiving emails per year. This is time that we spend communicating but not marketing. 99% average open and delivery rate of everyday emails. This is the highest of any media channel. Users place higher priority on direct email communications, ensuring superior deliverability of your marketing message. Let's look at the different business emails, the channels that we have, and how we market on them. So first we look at the bulk email. This is where we send one email to many recipients. This is kind of like our newsletters, promotions, and surveys. Recipients have to subscribe or register to be a part of this bulk email. And we have various images that we include in there. And our average rate is between 15 to 20% of opening. Transactional emails, these are automated, generally between your sales and your financial teams, because it's your orders, your confirmations, invoicing, statements, etc. Average open rate of these is very high. Our everyday business emails, 85% of business communication is done via everyday email. This is one-to-one or one-to-a-few. Content is very personalized and targeted. The frequency is continuous, just about 100% delivery, and the average open rate, again, is very high. Let's take a look at what is email marketing. Email's most potent marketing characteristics are a channel that you already own and control. There's no need to add anything, buy anything new. You already own this channel. It is what employees already do on a daily basis, so no change management required. People are already sending emails. The primary way of communicating with your most valuable audience, so your customers and prospects, your suppliers, partners, and investors. It's consensual and personal, and it is acutely targeted. The channel with the highest delivery, open, and response rates, this is because we all read our emails, is the first thing we do when we get into the office every day. It's all done in real time, and it's cost efficient. So a lot of benefits to email marketing. The challenge that marketers face when converting business emails into an active marketing channel. So the main thing that we have issues with over here is that we want to have a central controlled marketing channel. So it's got to be automated. We don't want to be doing things manually anymore. And why should we do things manually if we've got systems that can help us? Running things centrally also gives us consistency and protection against manipulation of signatures and media, meaning that everyone's email signatures and everyone's email banners look consistent and professional across the whole brand. Correct rendering across all devices, for example, desktop and mobile. This is really important, as you don't want your brand looking great on desktop and then when you're receiving it on mobile, it's not optimized. A lot of business is being done on mobile nowadays, and a lot of C-suites are doing their business on mobile. So if you do not look consistent and professional, you're not going to get the right attention. Deploying and updating of signatures, media components, and disclaimers. So the nice thing about a solution that helps you with this is that it is automated and centrally controlled, as we mentioned. So there's no need to go around to everyone's desks and help them implement the new signature, different graphics, make sure that everyone's sizing is the same. It automatically already will be. It also gives us the opportunity to measure engagement and success of the channel. Without an email marketing tool, how do we measure our marketing, our efforts? How do we measure the success of the channel? The other thing that we have in many instances is that marketers will then abandon email marketing or not even consider business email as a marketing channel. This is because they consider it to be a complex or an expensive tool. They think that it is resource intensive as well as time consuming, which is actually the opposite. Having a look at the compatibility, email branding works where you work. So it's optimized for G Suite, Exchange, Office 365, Apple IMAP, and POP3. And as you can see on the screen, the mobile, the tablet, and the desktop all look concise and professional. Everything is optimized to be fitted per that device's screen size. So that's very important. Now here we have an exciting screen to look at. This is the execution that you will find for your brand when you implement email branding. So a nice branded banner at the top of the mailer, and then we have a very neat and professional email signature at the bottom. This is going to be the same across your whole company's or your organization's emails. Cape Epic, so this is another one that we can look at. Sharing information is a main drive of email branding. I can see the dates of the events, should I be interested. I can see the website that I can go to, and I can click there immediately. I can associate Cape Epic with ABSA, as ABSA is a main sponsor. I can see other main sponsors listed below the email signature. I mentioned Data, Zara, and Virgin Active. Then we also have the ability to click through and sign up for the Cape Epic newsletter, as well as follow the event on any of their social media platforms. A different take on things is the Range Rover Vogue ad. Over here, you can see how we can map different call to actions in the banner itself. So we've got a view range. So directly on email, I can view the range. I can download the brochure. I can book a test drive, and I can watch the launch video of the latest Range Rover Evoque. I haven't had to click or go to another website or go to another URL. Everything is already embedded and mapped out for easy accessibility in the email banner. Down at the bottom, I can immediately contact the group marketing coordinator to find out more information. He would definitely be the person to put me in the right direction for the next person that needs to see me regarding my car purchase. So very professional here at the bottom. I've got all the information I need. I can download his contact details. I can sign up to the newsletter. I can view the map so that I can go directly to the Port Elizabeth office to do my test drive. You've got your links to Jaguar over here together with Land Rover. So you've got a lot of call to actions at your disposal, but it's not looking messy, and it's also very professional. So that's what's very nice about this. The Nando's one is one of my favorites. I feel that the food has its own call to action, and we can view the menu. We can also, once we view the menu, order the food and have it delivered by Uber Eats to wherever we are. So this is a very effective device or tool that we could do for especially the food industry. Nice thing of, yeah, I've even got a contact number. I've got an email address. This is specifically a Nando's Mauritius ad. So you can go anywhere up into Africa with the email branding. It's not limited to South Africa. In fact, Clikit does a lot of business in Africa as well. So if you are still doubting the value of business email, let's look at this. About IT, if I'm going to take us as an example, we come in more or less at about 35 users. At 880 branding opportunities per emails, per user, per day. We have 30,800 branding opportunities per month. So that's a lot of opportunity that we have to get some sort of exposure, to get some kind of lead or interaction from people, and to generally share information about the different products that we have to offer or solutions that we can share with businesses. So you can see here on average, companies might fit into the 50 user bracket, the 100 user, and the 200. So this slide is primarily aimed at SMBs, but obviously it grows as your enterprise can be bigger. Is your business email optimized? This is a question you should be considering because business has gone mobile. So these are some stats that were pulled from the litmus.com. They are a leader in email platform testing, and we've shared that here with you. So 48% of emails are opened on mobile devices. Only 11% of email signatures are optimized for mobile. 69% of mobile users delete emails that aren't optimized. That's really not good. You don't want your emails to be deleted simply because it's not optimized for the different platform. And 64% of decision makers read their emails on mobile. Let's look at the integration. So it all starts with the organization, which is your senders, the platform that you are using, your email infrastructure. It's the Clikit solution, which we have to offer for our email branding. That is the signature marketing engine. And then it ends up at your recipient. So a little bit of background on Clikit over here, what I want to share with you guys is that Clikit is an email media branding specialist company. They've been in the market for about 15 years already, so they really know what they're doing when it comes to email. They also do their business across 15 African countries, so international business, cross-border business. They go wherever the business needs to go. And then they also work directly and primarily with a partner program. So About IT is very proud to be part of this program, and that's how we are able to bring the solution to you. So the solution before and after. Looking on the left over here, very plain email. This is how most of our emails currently are, with a graphic that isn't optimized, so it's not popping up. And then your contact details, all very much squished into the left-hand corner. We're used to this. We've all been there at some stage. That's what it used to look like, but it no longer needs to look like that. So after having gone through the Clikit solution, you see on the right-hand side, your email is much more exciting. So you have an email banner at the top with your call to action regarding features or buying now. You have the content that you wanted to share with your recipient, and then you still have the information on the left at the bottom, but it just looks more complete and fuller in line with the banner on the top. You have the ability to go to sign up for newsletters, the brochure, and follow that company on any of their social media platforms immediately. So I'm going to take you guys through the basics. When you upgrade your email signatures into digital campaigns, this is what you get. Multiple banner campaigns, so that you can rotate them, you can target them, you can segment them. I'll get to that now. You include your brand. You include centrally controlled signature, which is compliance orientated. You have your disclaimer link so that it doesn't take up a whole paragraph of information on an email thread. You have the ability to view the map for wherever the company may be that you need to go see. Download vCard to your phone immediately. It's in your contact list. Newsletter sign up, forms and landing page, social media click-throughs, optional profile photo inserts, and then multiple tracked links. You don't just have to have one, you can have multiples. So these are some examples of email banners that we've done for About IT, and I'm going to take you through them because this is how effective it is. On the top left, we advertised ERP at your fingertips. So this is an Acumatica ERP cloud solution, and we can immediately click to find out more. This link goes to our website to a dedicated Acumatica page. Data analytics webinar. This is a webinar that we ran in April. You could click to find out more, which also took you directly to the page to register for the webinar should you be interested. What gets measured gets managed. This is also a data analytics dashboard related one where you can book a demo immediately. So I don't have to go to another place. I don't have to find myself on the website. I can just book the demo immediately from the push of a button on my email. Any kind of new additions that you've added to your company, new solutions or information that you'd like to share. So this is the email branding launch that we did. So we're clearly showing it's a new addition. The graphics are displaying it's a message around getting your email out there, be heard. And we're also offering a 1-month free trial. So immediately I can just sign up today and I can start contacting the clients and getting their 1-month free trial up and running. Cybersecurity and the fourth industrial revolution. This is promoting our IAAS unit, whereby people can find out more about the importance of cybersecurity and get background information on what the fourth industrial revolution really is about. So they can click here and read more about it. Our last one over here that we have is a Sage HR and Pastel payroll ad. This is for our software makes running your HR office simple. So sign up now. When they get to this page, it'll have more information on the HR and payroll information of Sage, and they can click to get a consultant to speak to them, view a demo, or simply just find out more information. So this is where these 6 banners rotating over time give the recipient an overview of different things that are running at About IT, an ERP business solutions company that has more to offer. So really, really effective marketing tool for us. This is a mock-up of one of our emails. So the email banners would rotate as we've just gone through. This is one that might pop up on this particular email. And then this is an example of what an email signature could look like. So my information, title, telephone number, email address, logo that you can click through to the website, web address that you can click through to the website, as well as social media icons. The look and feel is very much in line with the corporate identity, which is also important to keep in mind at all times. Another idea we could look at, so the email banner at the top has now rotated again to be something different, and the signature is a new one. So you could run a certain signature for a certain period of time, and when you're tired of that, we just upload the new one. Same with your banners. As the promotion runs out, we simply remove the banner and upload the next promotion. Here's an example of an integrated campaign that we would run, focused on Trust the Cloud. So we would have an offer, for example. This would be an article that we've written. We would send this out via use of a mailer. We would also run it via a link to our website blog on our email banner ads. We would also post a graphic to our social media with a link to our website to read the article on the blog page. We would be able to give any click-through information received from the mailer banner ads to our sales department, who can then do a tele follow-up with the client or the prospect on the product that they might be interested in. We like to publish our things, so this would have gone out on IT Web, which is an IT-driven information and news platform, and then we can continue to nurture any prospects that we get. So really what you're seeing is an overall integrated campaign, the ripple effect of one offer going across at least 6 to 8 different platforms. So really giving your marketing the ultimate exposure. The campaigns. Every time an employee sends an email, an interactive campaign banner will appear when the recipient opens his email. So here on the left, you can see it's very plain. And then when the recipient receives something, it's going to be exciting, very much the branding and call to actions that we've just gone through. We spoke about rotating banners. So let's look at this. As an example, here's 5 rotating banners. Over time, the person on the left is going to receive a different email banner from the pool of banners every time that she receives new communication from the contact on the right. So these are automatically rotating, and it's been set to rotate in the back end of the system. No manual work has been done over here. The nice thing that this also has to offer is that you can schedule your email banners. So scheduling, so if you have a promo running over a certain time period, you can set that email banner to run from the 1st of September up until the 30th. On the next day, 1st of October, the banner will be deactivated automatically and no longer advertising the previous month's promotion. That's really nice. The campaigns, you can also segment them. Choose who sends which message. So your customer service would be sending out banner ads that are more rate our service orientated. Your sales team would send out any sales features, buy now. That would be the ultimate goal of the call to action on those. And then HR, should your company be growing or needing someone in a new position, you could advertise that you're hiring and offer people the opportunity to upload their CVs. You can also target your campaigns to choose who receives which message. So of your 5 different email banners, they could be targeted to your suppliers. That is our first row. You could also do something internally to your colleagues, a year-end function or a team building thing that you guys are planning, and only the people internally would know about that. You could want to rate your service, which is what you send to your customers, ensuring that they are always happy with the service that you are supplying. And if it comes back negatively, you can take action on that and reach out to them and fix whatever might be broken. If you are emailing a competitor, you could also set things that no campaign banner will be present. And then also for your prospects, you could have triggered by clicks, features, buy now, order today, and receive 20% discount. Nice little prompts for your new prospect clients. This all comes together in reporting that can drive success. We all want to be working with actionable insights. So the nice thing about Clikit is that it integrates with all your dashboard reporting tools. It sends you instant click alerts. When someone clicks on a specific email banner, you will get a notification to say which email banner they clicked on, what was the call to action, did they follow through. You have their contact numbers and their name and email address, and you could send this on to your sales department to call them immediately and say, we've seen that you're interested in the email branding. How can we assist? Would you like to set up a demo? Because they've already shown interest. So really getting you one step ahead on that lead. The second way of seeing things is through your Google Analytics integration. We all want our SEO and our Google Analytics reports to do well, and we all want to see success through digital campaigns. So Google Analytics integration, your dashboards, it would be the same as your social media reports, your website report, but you would also now be able to see your email banner campaigns integrated into your Google Analytics. The live campaign dashboard, this can be a weekly or monthly report that we share with our clients, basically just showing you which banners are active, which are being sent out, who's clicking on them, basically how effective they are. So you want to be seeing these reports so that you can take action. And that's all from me today, guys. I hope you found this webinar to be informative, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you guys and just getting some email branding up and running for your organizations. We'll chat again soon. Keep well. Bye.